Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's essential for anyone serious about their audio setup. The YZHCYN XLR cables, coming in a convenient 6-foot, 2-pack bundle. These aren't just any cables. They're specifically designed for professional audio quality, making them a fantastic choice for microphones and other recording devices, whether you're in a studio or performing live. One of the standout features of these YZHCYN cables is their commitment to premium sound clarity. They boast a 5-layer shielding structure, which is quite impressive. This robust design works tirelessly to protect your audio signal from interference, ensuring that what you hear is pure, noise-free sound. Beyond the shielding, the cables utilize oxygen-free copper, or OFC, conductors. This material choice is crucial for achieving unparalleled sound clarity and delivering that studio-grade recording quality we all strive for. It truly contributes to a professional and immersive auditory experience. Durability is another area where these cables shine. They feature copper braided shielding, which adds a significant layer of protection. The sturdy metal connectors are equipped with strain relief, a small but vital detail that prevents wear and tear at the connection points. The manufacturer claims a service cycle of over 20,000 bends and plugs, suggesting these cables are built to last and can withstand the rigors of heavy usage, whether you're constantly setting up and tearing down for gigs or a regular in the studio. Their long lifespan means less worry about replacements. In terms of compatibility, these YZHCYN XLR cords are universally designed to work with any audio device that uses 3-pin XLR connectors. This includes a wide array of equipment like patch bays, mixers, amplifiers, speakers, microphones, studio monitors, and even lighting equipment. So whether you're working on stage sound, setting up a KTV system, or handling professional sound reinforcement, these cables are ready for the job. Ease of use is also a key consideration. The alloy connectors, combined with a self-locking mechanism, make setting up these cables straightforward and secure. Plus, the soft PVC jacket ensures the cable remains flexible, making it easy to coil and store away neatly after use, which is a huge plus for organization and transport. Finally, the thoughtful inclusion of a 2-pack bundle is both economical and practical. Having a spare or a second cable means you're always prepared for different audio setups or unexpected needs. And the 6-foot length is often just right, offering enough flexibility without excessive slack, making it an appropriate choice for many common scenarios. These YZHCYN XLR cables truly offer a blend of quality, durability, and convenience for any audio professional or enthusiast.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.